Hello viewers, welcome back. So in this tutorial I am going to show you about the variable of TensorFlow. So let's import TensorFlow. STF. Now let's call a variable. Let's make a variable equal to tf dot variable. Write out there, give a value of 3. So if I see out there, and you can see it is of type tf dot variable. Okay, now if I make a variable make a constant out there, cu and const equal to tf dot constant of 3. Okay, so okay, sorry, write out there small letter c. So you can see if I call con, then it is of type tf dot tensor. So you cannot change a tensor, but you can change a variable. So let's assign a value to my variable. So variable, so I want to assign a value. So variable dot assign. So you can just assign from here a value of 3. Now I want to put out there 40. Okay, sorry. So you can see the numpy value of this variable is 40. So variable, so you can give any other name. So you can see out there its value is 40 and it is of type tf dot variable. Now if I can sum, so let's say I want to some value with this previous value of 40, so I can put out there 30. Okay, so you can see uh, it is it has a value of numpy 70. So if I want to subtract, so variable, sorry, dot assign and sorry, sub, put out there 50, and you can see now after subtraction it has converted to 20. Now you can do the sum and subtraction through another process, so I'll be showing you. So variable plus, let's put out there 90, and you can see the numpy value is 110, but it is of type of tensor, so you cannot assign a value again like this one. So variable dot assign, so you will have an error out there. Let's say I want to add with this constant tensor or 60. So let's say, let's do so. Okay, you can see, oh, I didn't assign that, so I have to assign. So I have to write out there variable. Okay, now if I want to add a value, and you can see I am having an error. So this is the difference between tensor and variable. You can change whenever you wish to a variable, but you cannot change a tensor whenever you wish. So this is all for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I'll be showing you the basic operations of TensorFlow. So thanks for watching.